100 English phrases for beginners. He can run fast. I like to eat pizza. She went to sleep early. The kids love to jump. I love reading a book. They talked for hours. Can you write your name? Listen to the music. I will cook dinner tonight. He drives a car. That house is big. The bird is small. She feels happy today. He looks sad. It's hot outside. I have a dog. She is able to swim. This book is about animals. The sky is above us. They walked across the street. He can act in movies. Please add some sugar. He went home after school. Let's try again. The chair is against the wall. I saw her 2 days ago. The air is fresh outside. All students must attend. We do not allow pets here. I always brush my teeth twice a day. She is also coming with us. I am happy. He likes cats and dogs. A lion is a wild animal. I don't know the answer. Do you have any questions? The stars appear at night. This area is very quiet. They are my friends. The earth moves around the sun. She is as tall as me. May I ask you something? She is at the park. He ran away quickly. The baby is crying. I will be back soon. He threw the ball. The weather is bad today. I want to be a doctor. A bear lives in the forest. He wants to become an artist. She is sleeping in her bed. She is standing behind me. We met before the meeting. The class began at 9 a.m. I believe in you. She is the best student. I feel better today. The ball is between the chairs. That is a big dog. The bird is flying. He has a cut and it's bleeding. The cat is black. The sky is blue. We took a boat across the lake. The human body is amazing. I am reading a good book. She was born in July. I like both apples and oranges. He opened the box. They are playing outside. Can you bring the book? He has an older brother. We will build a house. She is very busy today. I like pizza, but not too much cheese. I will call you later. The letter was written by her. She came home early. He bought a new car. In this case, we need to act fast. Rain can cause floods. The store is in the center of the town. It happened a century ago. Can you carry this bag? The cat is sleeping. He tried to catch the ball. I am certain about this answer. People change over time. Let's check the results. A child is playing in the park. You choose your favorite color. She lives in a large city. The sky is clear today.